A time paradox is a hypothetical situation that arises from the concept of time travel, where an event contradicts the principles of causality, logic, or our understanding of time itself. Time paradoxes often involve closed time-like curves, which are loops in space-time that allow for events to influence their own past. One of the most well-known time paradoxes is the grandfather paradox. It goes like this: a person travels back in time and kills their own grandfather before he has children. This means the person was never born. But if the person was never born, then who killed the grandfather? This paradox highlights the potential inconsistencies and logical problems that can arise from time travel. Another classic time paradox is the bootstrap paradox. An author writes a book and then travels back in time to give the book to a younger version of themselves. The younger author then uses the book to write the same book, which they eventually give to their younger self. The question is, where did the book originally come from? This paradox raises questions about the origin of objects and information in a time loop. The predestination paradox suggests that every event in history is predetermined and cannot be changed. A person travels back in time to cause an event that already occurred. However, their actions in the past were actually the cause of the event, which means the event was always going to happen. This raises questions about free will and the potential consequences of time travel. The multiple timelines paradox proposes that every time a time traveler makes a change to the past, a new timeline is created. A person travels back in time and kills their own grandfather. However, instead of erasing themselves from existence, they create a new timeline where their grandfather is dead. This raises questions about the nature of reality and the potential consequences of time travel. There are several theories and proposals to resolve time paradoxes. The Novikov self-consistency principle states that any events occurring through time travel must be self-consistent and cannot create paradoxes. The multiverse hypothesis suggests that every time a time traveler makes a change to the past, a new universe is created, rather than altering the existing one. The predestination hypothesis suggests that every event in history is predetermined and cannot be changed. Time paradoxes are thought-provoking and challenging concepts that can help us better understand the complexities of time travel and the nature of time itself. While there are various proposals to resolve these paradoxes, they remain a topic of debate and exploration in the fields of physics, philosophy, and science fiction. For those interested in exploring time paradoxes further, here are some recommended resources: The Time Machine by H.G. Wells, Slaughterhouse-Five by Kurt Vonnegut, The Time Traveler's Wife by Audrey Niffenegger, Doctor Who, BBC TV series, Looper, 2012 film. These resources offer a range of perspectives and explorations of time paradoxes, from science fiction to philosophical debates.